guys, I hope you're doing well. I still have my headphones on because I was just like tidying up everything and I had my podcast playing. But yeah, I'm super excited for this vlog because, as I said in the previous ones, I'm going to do all of my hobbies because I had an epiphany. If you guys are also kind of feeling stuck in love and you're feeling so stressed and you feel like lately you've been disconnected from everyone and everything, I highly recommend you just pause because I realized that I was worrying too much about the future, that I wasn't allowing myself to do my hobbies because I was like, oh, but I could be doing videos instead and just like being more productive, like editing something or like thinking about a video idea, because I was so stressed out of the fact that I wouldn't be able to make content creation my full-time job, and I really wanted it to work. Like, you guys probably understand me if you have this passion or this goal that you had for so long and it's not like you can't really see results yet, but you keep working on it because you're so passionate about it. At some point you're like, oh my god, like it's not working, like what am I doing? And it's just so stressful, and you put your goal on a pedestal and you think of it like this big thing that is unachievable, and so you put so much pressure into attaining this goal, which actually is counterproductive because you're just gonna feel more stressed, you're gonna burn out, you're gonna be less creative, and you won't be able to attain this job. So I'm not saying don't work towards that goal, you definitely should stay consistent with your goals, but I'm like right now I'm saying that you don't have to be stressing about the future because it will not change it. Like, stressing about it now will not change the outcome. So the best thing you can do is just relax, and that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm just going to like chill and do my passions and not really think, except for this vlog obviously, but not really think of any type of thing that I could do to monetize what I'm doing. Just do whatever I enjoy doing. And yeah, I hope you like this vlog, and I hope it gives you motivation and inspiration to at least relax and just enjoy life, because you never know like what's gonna happen, and to me anything that is meant for you will be yours, so you don't have to stress about it. So first thing I did was just cleaning the space. Like, I vacuumed, I put the dishes away, I tidied up a little bit. Then I'm just going to have a lunch break and watch my favorite show. And then it's gonna be super exciting because I'm gonna be making jewelry with beads, because I love beaded jewelries, you guys. It's probably my favorite kind of jewelry, but I can't find any anywhere, so I just bought myself the beads and everything I need to make beaded jewelry. And I'm gonna do that because spring is here and I just love having cute little artsy pieces on me. So I hope you like this video, and yeah, right now I'm just going to have my lunch break and I'll catch you up later. Okay guys, so I just reheated myself some leftover pizza and I'm about to watch Young Sheldon, which has been a such a comforting show to watch lately. And yeah, I'm just going to chill and relax. This is literally an introvert's dream, to have like your favorite food, your comfort food at your desk with my favorite show on. Is just the best. And yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy that. And it feels so good to just relax and do things that make you happy. So yeah, I'm gonna dig in because I'm quite hungry, and I'll catch you up later for the beaded jewelry. Right here I have this crate. So I have this crate and it's full of things like ribbons, crochet things. I have stickers from all of my cider purchases. I have this that my colleague gifted me. It's like a color book for my birthday. Other kind of crafts and things I'm just accumulating, and I never use them. Like, this is just random stuff. I have this paint that I never opened. I have these that I did once and I never went back to it again. So right now I'm just going to take this, which are the beads, and then I'm gonna take this for like the thread. And I think I have somewhere, I might have, yeah, this for making earrings. Okay, so I have everything and I'm just going to go ahead and put on my favorite vlogs because I have to catch up on 𝒁𝓕's vlogs and other creators as well. So I have my water, I have my vlog, I have everything I need, and actually I think I might even jump to ASMR later because I feel like it's gonna be so relaxing to have ASMR playing in the background while I do my little jewelries, and yeah, I'm super excited. Also, I'm going to be looking at inspo on my Pinterest, of course, as usual, and oh my god, I also really wanted to do crochet, but I left the wool at my mom's, so maybe another time. But for now, let's do the jewelry. Okay, so I'm done with my 2 rings. So I made one like this, which is like green and pink and white, and it reminds me of dango, like the Japanese sweet, you know? Okay, I have 2% left on my battery, but it's okay, I'm gonna grab the other one. But I just changed into my outfit. I'm going to go sit outside and just paint and listen to a nice podcast. Just wanted to show you my outfit because I love it. It's giving Pink Pilates princess, but more like that girl. Like more that girl, less coquette, because I feel like there's a whole spectrum with these aesthetics, and I feel like in the middle of that girl and soft girl and coquette and Pilates princess. Anyways, so I have this gym set that I got from Temu, and I have this cardigan that I'm absolutely obsessed with. I think it's my favorite piece in my wardrobe right now. It has the cute little bows and it's from Cider. I have my necklace. I am keeping my glasses just because I can't see otherwise, but I'll see if I might just change with sunglasses. It depends if I can see or not, you know. And then I have my cap, this one, that you probably already saw, but I got it recently. It says New York and it's pink cap, and that's it. That's the fit. I'm already out of breath. But I wanted to go for a walk, but then I realized like I really want to do like a solid workout today because I have so much energy. So I'm gonna do my painting, listen to a podcast while I paint, and then I'm gonna like probably do a Pilates or workout class. I think I'm gonna go with Pilates. Okay, I'm all done. I went to water the garden and I am now ready for my Pilates class. For my matcha americano recipe, I think I'm gonna actually show you this tomorrow or like this weekend, because I feel like it's a little late for this, especially since I'm about to make dinner after my workout. So yeah, just maybe this weekend. But yeah, right now I'm just going to jump to my Pilates class. It's been such a fun day because I was able to just relax and do things that I usually don't allow myself to do because I feel like I don't have enough time and that I need to be like rushing everything. Probably just going to chill with Animal Crossing after I shower and after like dinner's ready. And yeah, I'm super excited.
ça.
Fais ça.
Pas ça.
Quoi?
Je fais pas ça.
Je fais pas ça? Ah.
Je fais ça tout à l'heure.
Ah, je croyais que tu me faisais ça. Mamma mia.